In this video today, I'll be showing you how to assemble a Venom 110cc mini MADIX. So for starters, we're going to do the front tire assembly. So the first thing we like to start with is the spring. So on the spring you have a bolt that you just want to loosen up. So once I pull this bolt out, I want to align it the front. Slide that through. And then I have my nut, which will go on the other side. From there, I'll grab my 13 socket and my 15 wrench. After that, we're going to move on to our tire rod. I'm going to unscrew the nut and the washers. So with this tire rod, you just want to break this forward so you loosen it. From there, you're going to want to line it up with the hub. After that, once it's lined up, you're gonna want to grab a hammer and just hammer it in. Grab your 2 washers, nut. Just hand tighten that for now. You're gonna want to grab a 15 or a 17 socket, sorry. Tighten that up. After that, you just want to grab a cotter pin from the bag. It looks like this. I'm going to slide it through. One part down, one part up. From there, we're going to grab our front tire. So on the tire, there is arrows. So this shows that it's pointing to the front. So we're going to put the tire in. Grab a 13 socket. And just tighten all 3 nuts. And the last thing I'd like to do is grab our front light. And just into this gold bar, you're gonna want to hand tighten it. Just like so, and that is how to assemble the front tire of your 110cc mini MADIX.